Wonder Woman Halloween costume we got from eBay. As you can see, here's the front cover. As I open it up, you will be able to see the front of the dress and the back of the dress. The cape is untouchable. You can put it on, put it off. The costume, it does come with all the accessories. These are the arm shields. And the headband. And there's a pair of leg covers. I got this costume for a reasonable price off of eBay. Shipping was free. I did get this piece of hair from the Dollar Tree. And this is our final look. Hope you guys enjoy.